Good. What letter is that? I. Very good. Oh, next. Next letter. J. Oh, next letter. Wow. Letter D. No, letter D. Very good. Oh, correct. Correct na yun. Oh, good job. Good job si Nathan. At kulang yung mga letters mo. Q. Very good. Ayos, ayos. Oh, very good. Letter C. Letter C. Oh, shoot mo doon. Shoot mo raw. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot mo daw, Nathan. Letter C. Very good. Good job. What letter is that? F. F. Oh, put letter F. Ay, good job din. Ha, yay! Good job. Wow, letter E. Very good. And then, what letter is that? P. Ay, good job. Next. Oh, good job na yan. Okay na yan. P. Letter L. Put letter L. L. You put letter L. This one. Yan. Good job. Next. Letter Z. Zebra. Ah, yung sugat mo ta, no? Yay! O, finish mo na muna. Dali, pakita natin kay Papa. Letter X. Very good. Papa, marunong siya mag-puzzle. Baliktad, baliktad. No, no, no. Baliktad lang. Ayan, oh. Oh, next. Letter N. N. Very good. Oh, baliktad mo. Baliktad rin lang. Oh, ayan, oh. M. Letter S. Ala, lasan yung letter G? Nawawala. Very good! Asan yun dito? Hanapin mo yung letter. Saan na? Good job, Nathan! Appear, Nathan. High five. Dito. Ay, sus ko pa.